Hey guys, how's it going? I got something. Looky here. Whoops. Of course it's upside down because I'm a dope. I found a deal that you guys might be interested in. There's a store in town called Guitar Center. They're a chain that's all over the country, and they're a pretty big outfit. But I've been looking for these things and looking for these. I'm going to do an unboxing, by the way. But I've been looking for one of these on eBay and all this other kind of stuff, and I'm always scared of the don't buy from here, don't buy from there, you're going to be in trouble. So anyway, I went on their site, found out Guitar Center is an authorized reseller, which is awesome. So I dug around, and there's no deals, of course, and so I saw something somewhere a few days ago that if you signed up for their mailing list, they would send you a discount. So I said, well, shit, let's try it. Also, I signed up for their thing and got a discount. The discount came. A survey came. Nothing was mentioned about the discount in the survey. But anyway, I filled it out, and then today I got a coupon, 15% off. 15% is a good chunk. This thing's $600. So the net cost was $509 plus tax. So I got $90 off. They sent me a one-time use coupon code for any single item in the store. The max discount was $500. So I suppose I could have bought a PA system or whatever. But anyway, all I wanted was this. So I tried to order it online for customer pickup or whatever, and the code wouldn't work. So I called them on the phone and back and forth and da-da-da-da. They have a whole long list of products you can't get with this thing. Shure microphones being one of them, which I thought was kind of crummy. But so you couldn't get an SM7B or an MB7 or anything like that. But let me get this thing open. Here we go. But Rode's not on that list. Whoops. Rode's not on that list, and so. Hey, Shantae's in the house. How you doing, girlfriend? Your Sunday morning Bible readings are fun. It's so sweet the way you guys do the Lord's Prayer in unison. It's really fun. Oh shoot! I need to put these comments up. I'm not used to getting comments. I did get some likes though. Come on, can you get it? There she is. Oh man, what a mess. So anyway, if you want a sweet deal on an RCP, check out your local Guitar Center. See what you can come up with. I'm doing awesome now, thanks. Look at these big, this is funny. Look at these big cards they sent. They're huge. Here's all the diagrams the doc was talking about. They want you to read this stuff, right? There's one card, there's another card. It's got stuff on both sides. There's another card. It's got stuff. I don't know if you can see that. I'm using that iPhone as an overhead camera. You can't really see it because of the glare. There's another one. Here's a box of goodies here, and in this box of goodies is. Oh, I'm making a mess. Power cable. Shantae, rewind this and check it out. You can get one at a Guitar Center. You get a discount on it, 15%, which is worth it. Got a couple of panels you can put on it to customize your buttons or whatever. I guess that's what this is, little templates. Anyway, those are fun. Power cable, part of the power cable, USB cable. All that goes in that box. And there is the jewel itself. Oh shoot. Hope I can break it. Hey Shantae, yes, 15 off is $90. It was awesome. So yeah, net cost was $510 plus tax. Sammy Cool's in the house. Hey, bud, I know you already have one of these, but in case you know anybody else that wants one, Guitar Center. Sign up for their mailing list, and you can get in. Is there anything in this box? No, that's it too. That's empty. Just going through all this junk. I don't want to miss anything. That's the box. All this stuff came in. Nothing in there. So I guess that's all the stuff. Now I just got to plug it all together. But I was so excited about getting this thing for 15 off. I couldn't believe it. I was pleased. I was pleased as punch, as the kids say. Sammy, I thought you said you had a Rodecaster. Oh, Shante, you already have one. Yeah, I'm excited to get it. My audio's crappy. Golly, I've been using this. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's me because I'm not an audio guy, but it's probably operator error, as they say. Like a loose nut on the controls. But anyway, I don't know if I should keep this. Sammy's asking about the deal. Guitar Center, Sammy. You're in New Jersey, right by New York City. I'm sure they have a Guitar Center. Sign up for the mailing list. They'll send you a survey. Fill out the survey. In a day or so, you'll get a thing for a coupon. I mean, a coupon for a 15 off, or maybe it's different in your town. Maybe it's more, maybe it's less. I don't know. But it's a 15 off one item, any single item. The max discount is $500, so this discount was $90. Yeah, it is nice. It was surprising. I just signed up for the deal in case they had a sale. I didn't know that they were going to send me an immediate coupon. And I had until April 16th to use it. So, but I used it, of course, the first 30 minutes I got it. So, but again, when I went to go order it online, the coupon code they sent didn't work, so I had to call. And so when I called, they said, oh, and they went through the hoops and all this stuff and back and forth. Said, okay, yeah, we can honor the code for this product. I like Guitar Center too, but every time I walk in there, they act like, their shit don't stink, so to speak. They act like they're all that. And you know what? You're a clerk in a store. You ain't got nothing on me. So what? You can play Stairway to Heaven on every guitar in this place. They don't have any respect for people. People that aren't at their level. That's the vibe I get anyway. I'm going to plug this sucker in. I wonder if I can use this regular... USB cable in front of my Cal Digit. Probably, right? Let's see what happens. I'm just going to plug it right in out of the box and start screwing with stuff while we're live. How's that for fun? I wonder if there's a way to use a Stream Deck to show the last comment. Sam, you know how to do that? Is that this? That's this. That's funny. Why do they give you USB-C on one side and a USB-A on the other? That's weird. Yeah, Shante, they've got all kinds of stuff there. Well, it's all microphone and audio, so it didn't occur to me either and I wouldn't have thought of going there to look until I looked at the Rodecaster authorized vendor list online, because I know that there was a big brouhaha. I remember Diana, I think, mentioned that if you buy it on Amazon, they don't sell through something called FBA, so you're risking getting a bad deal. What's the setting, Sammy? The next comment thing? Yeah, it probably is on the Stream Deck. I just need to figure out a way to do it. Last comment or something like that. Sammy also mentioned B&H. Yeah, B&H is good too, and they don't have sales tax, I think, out of New York City. So if you're not in New York City, you don't have to pay sales tax. So there's that. I'm putting this all in without reading any instructions. Oh, the last thing is to plug it into power. Duh, dummy. Let's just see what this sucker does. Oh, and I got to plug a mic into it. Gee whiz, it's all kinds of stuff. Let's see. Oh, geez, wrong one.
Welcome to the Big Promo Cast with Amber and Rich. In this podcast, Amber and Rich discuss the world of marketing.
Boy, I screwed up on that. I hit the wrong keys on my Stream Deck. Here we go. Yeah, I just hit the next scene button and got and wound up going into my other broadcast. So turn that off real quick. Warning. Uh-oh. Turn this around. Well, I don't want to turn it around. Maybe I can just flip the camera. Can you? Yeah, I'll just flip the camera around so you can read it. Oh, wait a minute. You can read it right there. Warning. See that red thing? My eyes, my old eyes. This equipment features headphone outputs that can produce high volume. Oh, that's all right. Just keep it turned down. Ugh. Hey, Steve Worthy. I didn't see you. I didn't see you sneak in on me, Steve. Yeah, Sweetwater is good. I've been shopping that and Adorama and all these sites trying to find a deal on this. So I was really surprised to find a Guitar Center deal. Because they're traditionally not cheap. What was I going to do next? Sammy says something's fun. I don't know what's fun. But I'm about to launch this sucker and see if I get any volume. Just straight out of the box. We got power. Boom. I've got I guess this is the master. And I got my mic turned into mic 1. Oops, I got to change it on my eCam. So this is this audio here is going through the Movo mic on top of my Cal Digit. I'm sorry, on top of my ZV1. So I'm going to switch this to Rodecaster Pro. Boom. I'm not even monitoring audio. I probably should be. It looks like I'm getting sound though. Plug these headphones in and see if... Oh, you know what? I probably can't hear them because they're not plugged in, dummy. God dang, it's always something. I swear I can't win because I'm such a... I messed that up. Oh, good. It sounds good. Thanks, Sammy. I'm glad it works. Let's do this, though. Here's a test. How does it sound compared to the Movo, little $40 Movo thing on top of the ZV1? Right now, this is the Rodecaster, and this is the Movo mic on the ZV1. Yeah, it's an SM58. We've talked about that before. I got these for $100 for a pair. Well, they were new in the box, but I got them from an individual guy in my town through Craigslist or something. I did have some Samsung Q2Us, and I still have them. I just don't use them. Steve says do the firmware update. I don't know why eCam's giving me a beach ball when I hit a comment. That sucks. That's no good. Okay, now I got to plug these headphones in. Oh, this is the Movo again. Sorry. Let me switch this around. Let me switch this back to the RC. Oops. Yeah, back to the RCP. That's the RCP. Let's see if I can find a headphone jack on this thing. Oh, you know what? I bet that's it right there where it says headphones. Nope. It says headphones, but it doesn't. Huh. iPhone. Left, right, 1, 2. Where do you plug headphones in, y'all? Micro SD card. That's cool. Yeah, I got one of those too for $30 at Office Depot. Oh, here on the front, looking dope. There it is on the front. Wow, I can't hear anything. Oh, I'm on the wrong mic. Here we go. Now we're on the Rodecaster. I still can't hear anything. I got to tinker with this, I guess. I don't hear anything at all. How about that? Does I hear anything there? Nope. Do I hear anything there? Turn this back on here. Don't know how to get sound out of these. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I got it. Where's that music coming from? Oh, geez. What the heck? Has that been playing the whole time? No, wait a minute. How is that playing? Oh, it's on this built into the Rodecaster. Gee whiz. Listen. Come on. That's funny. That's what all the fun is. I found it, Shantae. Thanks so much. It does sound pretty good. These buttons are going to drive me crazy. The music was driving me nuts. Oh, see that? It's so much better. And it all comes through one thing instead of having to mess with the system audio. That's cool. Sound pads are great. Oh, it just started. Yeah, it just started because of these sound pads. That's pretty funny. Too bad you can't get more than 8, but I guess that's the way it goes. If I mute them, no, that doesn't. I don't know what that does. Anyway, that mutes me. I think me for sure. All right, cool. I got to set the time and all this kind of stuff. Mess with the settings. Anyway, this is fun, y'all. So anyway, to recap, this impromptu scene, this impromptu live stream. I got this fancy new Rodecaster Pro at Guitar Center for 15% off. I signed up for their mailing list. They sent a survey. I completed the survey, and it said stuff like, what do you play or whatever, and I answered honestly, I don't play anything. I do a podcast. So anyway, fill in all the blanks. It's like 5 questions. Sent it back. Day later, I got a coupon for 15 off anything in the store, up to a $500 discount. And there's a big long list of people you can't get, like Shure microphones and some other stuff, Fender guitars, whatever. But Rode was not on that list. And the other thing is that the coupon code does not work on their online form, but the guy on the phone said that's because their online system's messed up. So, so when you go in there and you try the code and it doesn't work, then call them on the phone. There's a phone number they give you to call in with an order problem, not the regular phone number. And when you do it, he looks it up, he verifies everything with his manager. It takes about 30 minutes, and boom, set it up for pickup, and you're in business. So I don't have an affiliate link. I wish I did, but that's a heck of a deal. Net was like $550 after everything, so tax and whatever, and going to pick it up. So that's all I know about that one. Anyway, now I'm going to play with this for the next couple hours. See if I can get it set up because we have a show tomorrow. All right, everybody. You guys have a good night. See you later.